Hi everyone, I'm Paul Bonner. With the holiday season here, the Conicelli Honda family wants to make sure your vehicle is ready for winter weather and all your holiday travel. That's why we're offering some great December service specials. First, we're offering a free battery inspection plus $20 off any battery replacement, a perfect way to avoid cold weather surprises. We also have our oil change and tire rotation for just $74.95, a great way and a great value to keep your engine protected and your tires wearing evenly this season. And if you want to save even more, we're running our Winter Spend and Save program with up to $150 off same-day service, depending on how much you spend. It's ideal for knocking out multiple services all at one time. Plus, for added safety and stopping power, we're offering $25 off front and or rear brake service. Our goal is to keep you and your family safe on the road this season. Schedule your appointment today at conicelliservice.com or by calling 888-289-5948. Happy holidays from all of us at Conicelli Honda.